Guess what? We were the original AI. And now the system wants to replace you with yourself, even though human skills built this world. Now they just call them soft skills. But let's get one thing straight. AI didn't start with ChatGPT. We were the original AI, us humans. We have the most powerful computer in the world, and it's called your brain. I once heard a scientist share how Canadian researchers won an award for advancing AI by studying the human brain. Why did they do that? Because to teach a machine, they had to understand how we operate. If they wanted AI to draw a tree, they needed to figure out how. What input will create the output of a tree? And that hit me, because you and me, we've been operating off our inputs since the day we were born. We just didn't know it, because no one provided us with a user manual on how to be a human being. We weren't taught how to operate our own internal system. And we sure as hell weren't taught human intelligence. So what did we do? We struggled, we tested, we kept showing up, and we adapted. And we solved, and we created. And we have been the ones that kept the lights on, the teams together, the work flowing. And now, that very same system that never rewarded the real hard-working high performers wants to replace you with bots trained on your work. Yes, replace your job with AI, your patterns, your inputs, digitized, automated, outsourced, while you're still fighting to prove that you matter. The system never really cared about the real skills. Here's the thing. The system, the universities, the corporations, all of it never cared about those skills that actually build the organizations. But why not? Because those skills were labeled unimportant, non-essential. But meanwhile, a master's degree in DEI, whoa, that's critical. But communication, leadership, being able to think for yourself, that is just an afterthought. And maybe that's the point. Because if they could convince you that these skills don't matter, guess what? They could keep filling up the classrooms, keep collecting the funding, and just go ahead and keep on counting on a few hard-working employees in every company to pick up the damn slack. They didn't care because these are the exact skills that make a human like you undeniable. These are the skills that make you get noticed, earn more, and move up. And that's what they never wanted you to figure out. You know what they did reward? Labeling you with a letter or a crayon and calling it professional development. Buying into checkbox trends so they could get financing. Parroting the latest buzzwords like mental health or protecting your psychological safety. Setting up a prayer room so they could look inclusive, but ignoring who's giving the real results. They've built schools like factories, rows of desks with bells ringing, standardized tests, training you to obey and not think. And now they're shocked? AI is actually going to replace people? Let's be honest. They created the perfect machine for placement. They've made us one size fits all. Just stay quiet, follow the rules, be grateful. But the skills that AI can't touch, the ones that actually drive results, like leadership and problem solving, courage and critical thinking, clear, powerful communication, and a belief in yourself, these are the skills that built this country. The ones that my builders, the hard-working, high performers, have mastered in silence, up until now. Here's my 3 truths. Listen, AI and human intelligence and the builders are what's going to change the world. AI is not your enemy. The system that ignored your value is. AI is just a tool, a powerful tool. Even me, a so-called boomer, uses AI all the time. We've all moved from Googling it to using ChatGPT to solve real problems. Will AI take jobs? Of course it will. Because knowledge, the kind you used to need a degree for, is now at your fingertips. But the real enemy, it's the system that kept you quiet and invisible and replaceable for decades. The one that rewarded buzzwords instead of results. The one that trained you to follow instead of be a leader. And that ends now. Number 2, human intelligence is the most powerful career skill on this planet because it's the one thing that AI can't copy. It can mimic data, but it can't read a room. It can't lead a team. It can't build trust. It can't boost someone's confidence or mentor them through the real life roadblocks only a human who's been through it can understand. And don't underestimate that. Just like we're all trying to learn how AI works, you need to learn how you work. I figured that out when I landed an HR role. And suddenly, I just couldn't succeed by leading my own people like I had done before. So what I did is I built the system I now teach. It came from realizing how similar we all are as humans and how simple, powerful human habits can unlock everything we've been taught to suppress. Those tools have taken me across 2 continents. They have helped thousands of people discover what I learned. That nothing, and I mean nothing, beats knowing how to get the most out of you, out of who you are. That's your edge. That's your weapon, and it's time you owned it. And number 3, humans can win. There are only going to be 2 types of people in this new workplace, the builder and the bystander. And I've been both. As a bystander, I followed my dad's advice when he told me, Tammy, just work hard and everything will be okay. And for a while, it worked. And honestly, my work ethic has served me. But I was always waiting for someone else to notice me, to reward me. I'd clean up the messes left behind by those damn slackers. I'd stay late, I'd come in early, and I never asked for that raise, never asked for the promotion, until one day I discovered my value. And I became a builder. And let me tell you, a builder doesn't wait. A builder doesn't blend in because that's what they tell you you should do. A builder designs their own future. They don't resent work. They use it because work is not the enemy. Work is the gas station. And money is the fuel to build the life you actually want. And builders, let me tell you this, builders always win. And my final word, the system overlooked the most powerful skill set in the world. You, your wisdom, your instincts, your ability to influence, your ability to make things better when everything is breaking. They said it was soft. And now it's the only thing keeping workplaces alive. So no, AI isn't coming for everyone. It's coming for the people who play it safe. The people who blend in, who repeat what they're told. But us builders, we can't be replaced because in every workplace, at every level, the real problem is always a people problem. And us builders, us humans who know how to lead people, we are the new power class. Silence is no longer an option. It's time to take the workplace back again.